What's the meaning of bicyclist? Bicyclist. Bicyclist.
Bicyclist. Bicyclist. A bicyclist is a person who rides a bicycle. Bicycling is a form of transportation, exercise, or sport that involves riding a bicycle. Bicyclists often use bicycles for commuting, leisure, or fitness purposes. They may also participate in organized races or competitions. Bicycling can be done on various terrains, including roads, trails, and mountains. There are many different types of bicycles designed for different purposes, such as road bikes, mountain bikes, and hybrid bikes. While bicycling is generally considered to be a safe and environmentally friendly mode of transportation, it is important for bicyclists to follow traffic laws and wear appropriate safety gear to avoid accidents.